Hi, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to some continuous improvement basics and how you can get started in no time. Don't forget to watch until the end of the video for a bonus tip.
Hi, I'm Luca. Welcome to this channel where I share weekly videos about Lean Six Sigma and how it can improve both your professional and personal life. If you're new here and want to keep learning more about Lean Six Sigma, please click the red subscribe button and little bell below so you get notified as soon as new content is uploaded.
The basic foundation of what continuous improvement is built upon is the mindset of using the scientific method for solving problems. This is the problem-solving methodology that has been used by scientists and inventors since the beginning of time. It's what has gotten us from square wheels to round wheels. It's what got us from candles to light bulbs. It is the endless cycle of plan, do, check, act, otherwise known as PDCA. Each time we perform an experiment or trial, we learn something new. We then apply those learnings to make something better. Imagine this applies not only to creating new things, but to improving existing processes and procedures. If you like this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave a comment below. Once we understand the PDCA mindset, we can then think about how other continuous improvement basics, such as clearly understanding what are the customer's needs and wants. We must then strive to continuously improve on cost, quality, and services for our customer. And lastly, for our bonus tip, continuous improvement is built upon treating employees with respect and dignity. They are engaged and empowered to make decisions and fix things on the spot.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out more of my videos about Lean Six Sigma here.